Hi there. Are you interested in selling a computer or might be? Just hold on a minute. My name is Steve, this is TQA Weekly, and I would like you to think about it for a minute. Do you have any files or photos on your computer that you don't want anybody else to get? If you answered yes, then continue listening to me because this might help you out. Here are 3 things that you could do to retain your privacy, starting with the first one, and we are assuming that this is a desktop or a laptop. The first one being to just remove the drives from your computer. Desktops, this is easy. For some laptops, it's still kind of easy, but some of them you won't necessarily be able to do so. Therefore, this first solution is the easiest, most privacy conserving, but it's not always possible. The second solution is a program called DBAN. Derek's Boot and Nuke. Something I've talked about before. It uses a DoD data erasure algorithm that allows you to write zeros and ones across the entire drive and allows for all the information to be deleted. This works for hard drives. It doesn't exactly work for SSDs that have drive leveling, which in itself can give away some of the data. I haven't looked deeply into it, but a program called Wipe Drive works very well apparently because it actually relies on firmware and logic to not just get rid of data, but also drive leveling. So that might help you out for, drives that are basically stuck inside of your computer. Now, if you just bought the computer and you don't have any data whatsoever on it, there's another thing that you could do that could just make it easier on yourself, which is to just encrypt the entire drive. Because encrypting the drive means that they would have had to figure out what the encryption key was in the first place. So no matter what, even the information that would have been, causing some leveling in an SSD would technically still be encrypted. It wouldn't be easy to figure out what was going on without the key. So you could just bypass everything, use whole drive encryption, and then when it came to sell anything like this, you just erase the computer and change out the key, and that would be it. And that would be the simplest solution for selling a computer and retaining all of your data privacy, instead of using a program like Derek's Boot and Nuke, DBAN, or Wipe Drive, or even removing the drive entirely. So I hope this helps you out before you lose any privacy whatsoever. So like this episode if you like it, dislike it if you didn't, share with those you think can benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you got any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com or go to my website, tqaweekly.com. You can see the show notes on this episode, past others, find other ways of subscribing, and of course, use the contact form to email me directly. And if you want to see me play video games like God of War, head over to twitch.tv/ZAccess1981, where I play every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday from 7 to 9 p.m. Eastern. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.